Okay guys, looking for 1K. We're gonna hold the position. We bought down here, market reversed. Okay, we're looking at the Tesla up, Amazon is bullish, Meta, Apple is way up, Microsoft is way up too. So we expect this market to at least give the 1K. Okay, it's heading to the position as the imbalances pile in. We have a set unlimited imbalances add to the position, but you can control it. For example, you just want to say I just want one per bar. Okay, you can control that one per bar. If you say, oh, I only want two, okay, you just control, you just want two, and it will not add to the position anymore, only two. That way you minimize risk. Okay, so if price reverses from here, the bigger the damage that you can have is, okay, we got the 1000, we're 18 contracts maximum. It says not even two minis, it's just 1.8 mini. Okay, that's it guys. Remember, I say $1,000 profit, but you can go for $300, $200, $100. Okay, it's up to you. You just need, if you want $100, $200, you can add. It will only take two candles. Okay, one, two, $100 around here. That's it, nothing more. Okay, guys. So this is the open. Okay, so nice, nice profit quickly. Market reversed. Then we saw everything was green. Everything was, sellers were just disappearing and buyers were piling in. You see all these stacked imbalances here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in this program, you can contact me. I will be happy to send you information.